my beautiful people, happy Halloween time, you know, because it's autumn, October, and Halloween is coming. So I thought it would be aesthetic for me to upload a video basically about me doing an Ice Queen Halloween makeup tutorial, because I thought it was a very unique and interesting look to do. So if you want to be an Ice Queen, then follow this tutorial. A scary ice queen, or like just a magical ice, did I say ice cream? Ice queen. Okay, to begin we're going to start off using Bleach London Washed Up Mermaid matte lip paint and matching liner. So this is the box that I bought. I got it from Topshop, but I'm pretty sure you can get this online. And I'm using Washed Up Mermaid, and these are the colours. So first we're doing the lipstick. I'm just getting the liner. Then the blue lipstick, mermaid lipstick. Now this is going to give it some icy queen blue effect, so I thought it was a pretty cool idea. And yes, this is the lipstick. And next I'm going to be using from the brand Inglot, and this is Sparkling Dust Face Size Body, and this is it, Inglot. And I'm just going to be highlighting my nose, so it gives it a bit more of an ice queeny effect. There we go. And next I'm going to be using a product from MAC, and this is Pro Performance HD Airbrush Makeup, and it's in blue. This is the box, the bottle. And I'm going to be using my lovely paintbrush, and I'm going to be painting this on the contour places of my face. So I'm going to be putting some on the back of my hand, and now I'm going to be painting this here into my hairline. Onto the contour places of my face. I also got face and body foundation, and this is it's MAC Studio, and I'm going to be also putting this on the contour places of my face. So mixing this with the blue. And then I'm going to be putting this all over my neck. I'm going to be using the Gypsy Shrine Face Gems, and these look very ice queeny, so I'm going to be using these. And I'm going to be putting eyelash glue at the back of them to stick them on my face. I kind of ran out of eyelash glue, so I'm going to be using glitter glue instead. This might be better to use anyway. And this glitter glue I also got from the Gypsy Shrine. And now I'm going to be using my glitter glue, and All That Sparkles by Hallie, Hallie. And this is white. I'm just going to get some of the glue on my finger and put this all around my face. I'm just going to put this on my hairline, just where I put all the blue and white paint. And then I'm going to be making a huge mess and pouring this on my floor, on my face. So here we go. Give it that ice queeny effect. And on this side. And yes, this is what we've got so far. This is the ice queen face. I also want to add some more to this. You don't have to do this, but I want to make it a little bit more Halloweeny and add a little bit of blood. Like a gory ice queen. Next I'm going to get my Gypsy Shrine glue and put this all over my chest. the more glue you use, the more that the glitter is going to stick. So be generous with the amount of glue that you use. I'm just putting it on my chest. Now I'm using from the Gypsy Shrine Chunky Mermaid, and it's this glitter. It looks like this. It looks proper mermaidy. Ooh, falling everywhere. I'm just gonna get my brush now and I'm going to pick some up and put it on me. Yes, and this is my chest. And I'm going to glitter up with a bit of silver. Get the glue. I'm going to be very glittery. So yeah, now I'm going to be using Collection Glam Crystals Face and Body, and this is silver. Looks like this. And I'm going to be putting this all over here. And this is my Ice Queen look. I don't have a crown, but I'll recommend some crowns that you can get in the description if you'd like to buy a crown. But I'm going to recommend a flower crown for me personally. Now, if you want, you can step it up a little bit. These are white synthetic for watercolor, oil, and acrylic brushes. And I got Snoozeroo face paints that I got. It's like kid face paint, but I'm really focusing on the red right now. Got my paintbrush, going to dip in, ooh. Just a little blood, just to make it a little bit more gory. I look like a vampire queen. What the heck? And that's the finished look, guys. Thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed this Halloween Ice Queen makeup tutorial, then give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And make sure to subscribe for weekly videos every single Thursday because I upload every single week. And click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. And if you really liked it, share it with your friends so you can copy the makeup look. And yes, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye!